I did 3 months of seriously deep diving research of all the LiDAR units out there. Yeah. And I did a side-by-side comparison, and I will tell you that anybody who knows me knows I am so anal retentive on detail. And I got it down to 2 companies. Rock Robotic was one of them. And when I did a side-by-side comparison on both, I mean, this is no blowing smoke. This is just shooting it straight. That other unit, that other company could not compete on every level. It's a phenomenal unit, yes. But it just, I mean, it was a no-brainer for us. And we've had it for 2 weeks, and I tell you what, it has been a game changer for us. So if anybody is even thinking about the R2A or a LiDAR unit, dude, you have got to check out the Rock Robotic, because I have done the research and I am 100% behind it.
Are we paying him?
That's some gold.
Do we pay him?
I feel like we're on an episode of like Real Sex or something.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm almost
great.
I told Kelly, my bride, I said, listen, if I wasn't working for these guys,
Yeah.
Well,
I am so blown away by what you guys have put together. That is there anybody in this in the southeastern area that is a rep for you guys? Because I would just.
I mean, we got 3 guys flying in it.
Now just to be clear, we're not paying this guy. This is
not a paid sponsorship.
this is authentic. Well, honestly, so let's check out this area around us. And I mean, this is a pretty. I mean, what do you think about this behind us? This is like an open area.
This is the Georgia World Congress Center. So the whole main facility is directly this way.
So
now we cannot fly at Mercedes-Benz Stadium.
Correct.
I'd love to do that.
But we can take off this way. We're not over people. We're not over vehicles. So
open airspace too.
Yep,
I checked it already. Yeah.
One thing that surprises a lot of people about downtown Atlanta is it's Class G.
Yeah. It surprised me too. I was looking earlier. I was like,
you can go to the Peachtree Center and take that altitude and add another 400 feet, and you're totally legal.
so let's fly some LiDAR here in downtown Atlanta.
Yeah, let's fly some LiDAR. I would have never thought about LiDAR in downtown Atlanta, but hey, let's do it.
This is beautiful, but we got some storms coming in right over here.
Mm-hmm.
But I think this area will be just pretty. So maybe
Do you want to do this area? Do you want to do
maybe, I don't know, this looks
maybe
a little bit of that, a little bit
of the facade?
Yeah.
Well, then I can just probably manually fly that then.
I think so too. Honestly, I think we can manually fly this whole thing.
Okay.
It's pretty small, so we can just double up on the overlap.
Yeah, this will be cool to be able to get to see data inside the beams there.
Yeah, I think so too.
Okay.
And even this recession right here where this this pond pool is. All right, I think manual fly.
Let's do it.
Let's fly.
Let's fly.
We're about to take off with this LiDAR drone and map this, what is this? This is
The Georgia World Congress Center.
the Georgia World Congress Center. We're having fun and hanging out with Alliance and just playing with their toys, so let's just get up in the air.
They're tools, not toys. They're tools.
Tools. Tools, he's right. He's very right. All right, let's just get up in the air and start flying, and I think we're gonna sit down probably for a beer and process the data and take a look at it right away, right after this. Let's do it.
Doing the calibration figure 8 right now. All right, I'm gonna get in place. We're gonna line it up.
While he's flying that, we have a second pilot over here, Matt, who's flying the Mavic Air, capturing. The drama is continuing because we got a thunderstorm coming in right over the convention center, but we're both still in the air.
The pucker level is going up.
But I think we still got like 2-3 minutes, so we'll be able to.
That should be plenty.
Yeah, we'll get it out. We just landed and we got the storm coming in right now. I can see the rain's actually coming over the convention center, so it's like less than a half mile from us, so we're gonna hurry it up, get the final few seconds of static measurements we need from this and get it into the truck. We gotta hurry.
Here, turn it off.
All right, so we're gonna go under the tunnel because this storm is coming in. Inlet, yep, I'll get it. I'll get the inlet, I'll get the base station. Woo, it's raining. That was only on for 11 minutes. Okay, stop. Okay, it can move. Okay, we're gonna move. See, the storm is coming in. It's gonna start raining real hard. David, let's go. I'm gonna run down there. It stopped. Woo! I mean, it's coming down, but I think we literally just finished flying and landed 6'11". I'm gonna hit my head. Almost. See, that's, guys. Hey, hold on. Just so you know, that's 6'11". Hold on. That's 6'11". I'm a tall guy. Woo! Alliance, this is some cool guys. How'd you feel about that flight?
Couldn't have cut it any closer. That was fun.
You got the data stick?
No, we couldn't have been in the air
A second
longer. That was awesome.
That was pretty close.
That's what you call perfect timing, guys.
That's awesome.
I can't wait to see the footage you got.
Yeah, right?
Let me throw this in here real quick, and then you can have it.
You know what's cool?
What's that?
That's a short flight. So by the time we find where we're going to go have a beer, we're going to have a point cloud.
Oh, I can already tell you where to go.
Yeah, I know you can.
Not that way.
Matt, what are you doing?
I am copying raw data, and in 2 minutes I will be starting a point cloud. I will be doing pre-processing on our just capture because we already have the base station data. And now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we have raw LiDAR data, and next is pre-processing. Nice.
What'd you drop?
USB.
It went under.
All right, so we got base station files, copy. We got a project file, paste. And now we got pre-processing going on. How many minutes after our flight? 5?
Only because it's raining.
Cool. All right, so unpacking now. Let's go have a beer. We'll probably have a point cloud by the time we got a pint.
A pint? Is that where we're starting with?
A pint of beer? I sure hope so. If we're having beer, if we're done for the day.
All right, well, we just got in from the rain and we're gonna have a nice, lovely beer, but also process LiDAR data.
What do we got? What do we got?
All right, I mean, yeah, we're done. Our job's done. We're uploading to the raw cloud. I haven't even gotten a beer yet. Cool.
I love my job. I'm looking forward to seeing the data that it caught in each of the towers. And all right, here's to Rocket Robotic and Alliance. That's a great partnership, guys. I mean, that is impressive as heck.
Australian calls are killing me right now.
You got to zoom in on that.
And they're a little bit too late for you.
That's 100 feet down.
6, 7 for you.
Yeah.
Number one, we didn't even know that was there, and the fact that it was able to capture that kind of detail.
120 feet.
120 feet. Wow.
From how high were you flying?
That's 270
Well, let's
feet.
see.
That's 270
He
feet.
flew at 165 feet, so 120 feet more.
Dude, that actually does look pretty
It's
good.
like almost 300 feet right there.
Wow. And it got data on the underside of that beam.
Really tight looking data. You guys got a good unit. Solid. Oh, I call that a successful data set.
Cheers.